Buen día, clase. Empecemos con una oración. Padre, Hijo, Espíritu Santo. Amén. Dios, ayúdanos hoy, más que nunca, a ser hombres en el servicio del prójimo, a velar por el bienestar de todos, a hacer vida nueva cada día. Padre, Hijo, Espíritu Santo. Amén. Muy bien, chicos. In today's tutorial, we're going to cover 3 important items. 1, we're going to talk feedback. 2, we're going to try to get back on track and talk about el pasado, el pretérito. And 3, tarea, your assignments. Stop feedback. 1. Feedback on Edpuzzle. Gracias por ver el video. Thank you for watching this entire video. It is an important piece of our online class. So please make sure you watch the entire video and answer the 2 or 3 tops questions you will have about this tutorial video. Thank you for doing it for this one. 2, thank you for your feedback on the resources we are using. I'm glad that we are doing great with our Edpuzzle video, and I'm glad we're doing pretty good with the resources that we are using. Keep giving me some honest feedback here, please. Also, thank you for completing your Flipgrid assignment. It was fun and great to see you all say hello and see you all say things about yourself using the verb ser and using the verb estar, like my example. Just know that you will be getting feedback straight on Flipgrid. If you go to your Flipgrid portal, you will see I gave you feedback on 3 items. On how you use estar, how you used ser, and also your voice, if I was able to understand what you said. I also wrote a note. So please take a look at your feedback on Flipgrid. Very good. Now, let's talk about the second item. The second item on this tutorial is el pasado, el pretérito, the past tense, the preterite. We are going to try to get back on track. So, to get back on track, have to get reminded of a few things. We are going to cover this unit, el pretérito, the past tense, with the theme, los aventureros, los exploradores y pioneros. Adventurers, explorers, and pioneers. That? Okay. As a reminder, we completed this activity in class, and if you didn't do it, you are okay. Don't worry. You're not getting any points against you if you were not present for this. We described in the past tense what happened in the movie, Diarios de Motocicleta, Motorcycle Diaries. We completed these in class and we talked about all the actions in the past that Ernesto and Alberto had going on. Good. Our second activity on this theme, explorers, pioneers, and adventurers, we have one person we all know, I think, that is Shakira. Shakira, una humilde pionera de talento y conciencia. Shakira. Vamos a ver, we'll see a little more about who Shakira is, where she came from, a little bit of the things she does, or she did. Okay, so we're going to use her story to see how we use the past tense. Very good? Okay, so let's get back to the third item we need to check, and that is your assignments. Okay, so vamos a un campus. Okay, so you guys are watching your Edpuzzle video, very important. That's worth some points. We have some conjuguemos due. That assignment is set up today to be due on the 1st, all the way to the 1st. Just check on campus, and you have OneNote content library, pretérito, cultura, actividad B assignment. You have your feedback that you're gonna give this video and your assignments for this day. And of course, I hope you have checked your discussion board attendance on time. Remember, this is the only guide that happens during our class, schedule time class. Okay, muy bien. So, to look at your assignments, let's take a look at first, conjuguemos. This is the easy one. All you have to do is log into conjuguemos. Let's go there for a second. To log into conjuguemos, and under your class, go out and find this activity. Okay, on this activity you're going to do 3 types of activities. You're going to do one graded practice, you're going to do a crossword, and also a memory game. So please understand, you're doing a crossword, memory game, and graded practice. You know how to complete conjuguemos, so I am sure you won't have any issues here, right? The one most important assignment new to us is going to be this OneNote content library assignment. So to get here, we will go to OneNote, and under OneNote, making sure you are on your correct Spanish 2 notebook. Okay, we're going to go to content library, exactly as our assignment here says. We're going to go to content library. Okay, so OneNote, you're going to go to content library, and under content library, you're going to visit actividades. Actividades se dice activities. Under here, you will see 3 activities, among others in the future. Some here are assignments that will be assigned in the future. Some of them are assignments that were assigned in the past. But today we're going to only focus on this guy, pretérito, cultura, actividad B. This actividad is about Shakira and how to use the past tense to describe someone's life. So let's learn about Shakira. Your task is to read and investigate about Shakira. So to complete this activity, you're going to get into this article, look at the life of Shakira closely, and on the very bottom, you're going to answer the following questions about the article. It is very, very important that you answer these questions in a short way, making sure you show me that you understand, and do it with your stylus. Please do it with your stylus. This is a picture and it's meant to be built for you to complete with your stylus. Your stylus. And please make sure that you are answering in English or Español. Either way is good. Okay? Now, here under content library and under actividades, you won't be able to do any of this, any writing. You won't be able to. What you need to do in order to complete the activity before you start is the following. You will grab the activity from the content library, actividades. You will right-click on the activity, pretérito, cultura, actividad B. You're going to copy it, and you're going to find your own notebook. So, for instance, if you are Bobby, you're going to go under your actividades and you're going to make sure you paste it under your name. This is the only way that you will be able to do this, to do all this writing. Okay? If you do not do this copying and pasting under your own OneNote, then you won't be able to complete the activity. So please make sure that you copy the activity from content library into your own OneNote actividades folder. All right? Very good. This is your assignment for today, to complete all those items on your own campus, right? Your Conjuguemos, your OneNote. Make sure you give me feedback, and of course, finishing watching this Edpuzzle tutorial video. Okay? Muy bien, chicos. If you have any questions, just make sure that you ask the question at the end of this video when you see the appropriate prompt.